Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking aloo ka paratha, one of the most popular parathas. In aloo ka paratha, its ingredients are the key to making it healthy and tasty, and we are sure that once you taste it, you will never forget its delicious flavor. Kindly subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for more upcoming videos, and also check out our channel's playlists. Aloo ka paratha provides sustained energy due to its high carbohydrate content, making it ideal for active individuals. As we are making it with whole wheat flour, it offers dietary fiber for better digestion and supports gut health, along with potassium and iron. This paratha also supplies vitamin C and B vitamins. Potatoes are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Some important tips: you can control the fat by preparing the paratha with less oil or ghee. Use whole wheat flour instead of maida. Pair the paratha with low-fat curd for added protein, which is also good for digestion and provides probiotics. Here's everything we'll need to make this tasty and healthy aloo ka paratha. Make sure you keep all the ingredients ready: wheat flour, besan, salt, oil, large boiled potatoes, finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, chopped ginger, garlic, white dill, sesame seeds, ajwain, kasuri methi, sugar, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder, hing, salt, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and jeera. Let us now see how our tasty and delicious aloo ka paratha is made. We need to take wheat flour with a little besan and salt. Mix it well in a large ball. After it is mixed, we need to add water to the flour and slowly knead it with our hands. In a while, your wheat flour dough will be ready. Now, we will add oil to the dough and knead it well. Keep a plate over the ball for a few minutes so that our dough settles nicely. We will use a khalbatta, also known as a mortar and pestle, to crush and grind the fennel seeds. Once the fennel seeds are crushed, take them out onto a plate. Now, take the coriander seeds and jeera for crushing and grinding in the khalbatta. Grind them finely and remove them onto another small plate. Let us now take the chopped coriander stems, ginger, and garlic to crush and grind as well. Take them out and place them on a plate. Now, peel the boiled potatoes. Let us take a pan, add oil to it, and light the gas stove. Once the oil is heated, add the finely chopped green chilies. Also, add the crushed ginger, garlic, and coriander stems to the pan. Once they are heated, add the chopped onions to the pan. It's time to add all our ingredients like white dill, ajwain, kasuri methi, sugar, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder, hing, and salt from the plate into the pan. Mix everything well. Now add the crushed coriander seed and jeera powder along with the fennel seed powder that we prepared. Stir the ingredients well and let them cook. Now, add all of our boiled potatoes to the pan and mash them evenly. Once we completely mash the potatoes, they get coated well with our masala. We need to cook the mashed potatoes and masala together so that every bite is full of flavor. Once our paratha masala is cooked, take it off the gas stove and add a little chopped coriander, as it gives extra flavor. Let it cool down for a few minutes and then mix in the coriander. Now it's time to check on our wheat dough. Feel it with your fingers and see if it is ready. It should be soft and non-sticky. It's time to roll our wheat parathas. Apply a little oil to your fingers and take a small amount of dough, just as we do while making a roti or chapati. Here we are keeping all the dough balls ready to roll into parathas, as shown in the video. Take one dough ball, dust it with dry flour, and roll it into a small round shape. Add our potato masala in the center. Now, cover the masala from all sides with the dough. After covering it, gently pat it from all sides and slowly flatten it, keeping the masala intact inside. Roll it gently into a round shape. Look how nicely it is rolled without the masala coming out. Once the paratha is rolled, place it on a heated tawa and let it cook for a few minutes. As soon as the paratha is slightly cooked, apply oil over the top and then on the other side as well. We already have our tawa heated before placing the paratha. So after applying the oil, make sure not to keep one side on the tawa for too long. Turn it over so that the other side cooks evenly. You can also apply ghee if you wish to. Make sure it is cooked and fried well, as shown in the video. This paratha looks ready to be served, and we can now take it out onto a plate. This aloo ka paratha is delicious and super tasty even without anything else because of its flavorful ingredients. However, many people may feel it is a dry dish. Therefore, it is best enjoyed with fresh curd. To make it even more wholesome, serve it with pickle, onion, cucumber, and green chili. This paratha is so wholesome for breakfast that you will not crave another meal for quite some time. When you have this paratha, you will enjoy a variety of flavors in every bite because of our ingredients, and you will be tempted to have more. Remember to thank nature, as it provides everything that we need. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.